Hi, I'm Jeff from Asbex, and today I'm excited to bring to you a game changer in patio maintenance, Asbex Easy Patio Joint Repair. Easy Patio Joint Repair is a fast and effective way of repairing crumpled and damaged joints on your paths and patios. Tired of cracked and crumbling joints? Easy Patio Joint Repair is the answer. It's a high-performance jointing compound designed to restore your patio joints to look like new. This innovative product offers several key benefits. No mix-in required, easy water activation, no waste, it's suitable for all paving types, it's strong and durable, and it resists weed growth. Before you start to use Easy Patio Joint Repair, you're going to need some of the following items: a pair of safety goggles and safety gloves, a dustpan and brush, a soft broom, ideally a garden sprayer, and a pointing tool or something similar. Applying Easy Patio Joint Repair is so easy. First, ensure the joint is clean and dry, then simply add the product into the joint, filling it completely. Now gently firm the product using a pointing tool or similar, ensuring it finishes level with the top of the paving. Next, activate the product by lightly spraying with water. Don't add too much. When you see water not soaking in, just stop. Cover the repaired area if rain is likely. Ideally, the repaired areas should remain dry for 24 hours. What could be easier? Great looking paving joints with no mix-in, no fuss, no problem. With Easy Patio Joint Repair, you can achieve professional looking results without any hassle. Upgrade your outdoor space today with Easy Patio Joint Repair from Asbex.